Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if today is your first time here, you're welcome to Mofe Lifestyle. So today's video guys, I will be sharing with you this delicious fish pepper soup recipe. Like, I love this dish because of so many reasons. One, it's healthy, oil free, very tasty, very easy to make. Like, I love this dish. Let me just stop ranting about it. So if you like this recipe, give me a fat big thumbs up, share with your friends and family because you never know who you might be helping with this recipe. And lastly, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just click the subscribe button. So now guys, let's go make this dish. To begin with, here are the ingredients I will be using. I have my peppers here, I have ginger, I have onions, I have 2 different grinded pepper soup spices. I like to mix them up. I have crayfish, I have maggi, I have dry mixed herbs, I have salt, I have ginger, and lastly, I have my catfish. So the first thing I like to do when making this dish is to boil my pepper mix. And the reason for this is catfish doesn't take that much time to cook. So to ensure that my peppers are properly cooked, I always pre-cook them before I blend. And also the reason why I'm adding Tatashe and real bell pepper is just to help thicken up the soup. Next, I'm adding water and I'm just going to leave it to cook till the peppers become soft. While I'm waiting for my pepper mix to cook, I'm just going to use the time to clean and cut my fish. Catfish is actually my favorite fish to use when cooking fish pepper soup. An alternative for this can be croaker fish or tilapia fish or any other fish of your choice. Catfish can be really slimy, and to remove that I'm using lemon. If you don't have that, you can use lime or salt and hot water. Coming back to my pepper mix, they look softened now. I'm just going to remove everything from the water and blend. After blending, I'm pouring back the pepper mix into the pot and I'm just going to let it sit for a while and also boil before adding my fish. So now I'm going to be adding my fish into the mix. I've washed the fish of the lemon juice. The fish is clean and I'm just adding them inside the pot. So now is also the time I'm going to be adding all the ingredients I showed you earlier. But I like to leave the crayfish till later when the soup has boiled a bit, and also the dry mixed herbs. Now that my soup has come to a boil, I'm going to be adding crayfish and the mixed herbs I showed you earlier. I would also be adding a little bit of water and I'm just going to leave everything to cook. The soup is all done now and I can assure you that this tastes so delicious. You can serve this soup alone or you can have it with rice, with yam, with potato, with plantain, with ekko. I'm here to try that. That will be all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching, and also do not forget to leave a comment and subscribe. See you next time.